Alright, well, there are 2 cameras on me. Hi, YouTube. I lost a bet to Tanzer. I beat him in the first 2 rounds of Gobbler Cube Day, but I lost on the set. I lost in the 3rd round, which means I'm going to eat a plate of a dozen boneless wings from Buffalo Wild Wings with the Blazin flavor. These are pretty high. Yeah.
I know you like them.
I haven't had them in like 3 years.
But you did like them.
I do like them. I did like them.
You want to feel pain.
I want to enjoy my meal nowadays. I'm getting old. I'm an old man.
How much of this do I have to record?
I don't know.
I mean, everyone will believe you. Don't worry. Tanzer will believe you. He's literally right there.
Maybe just turn it off for now. And then near the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry. I want food. Ladies and gentlemen, the last wing.
Yeah. Tanzer ate 1 for me, so this is number 11. Not that bad.
You want to tell everybody back home how you're feeling?
It's a little hot.
Yeah. They are all gone. He completed the challenge. Ooh. Good job, my man.
Next time I'm going to win. And you're going to have to do it. And it's going to be a lot more painful for you than it is for me.
He's right.
Northeast champs? You saw it right here. Northeast champs. The winner between us in the final round will eat these wings. A dozen. I hope I win.